before when I first put my tune on, I didn't know how to pop. Alright everybody, today is the day. Jericho finally isn't gay. I'm kidding. Shut the fuck up. So we finally got a Openflash for the FRS, and that's how you get pops for your car. We didn't really go through the process of actually doing stuff on the computer. It's actually really easy. Well, would you say it was easy?
It was easy, yeah. It was all you do is, well, there's a couple programs that download, and then you just change the fuel timing on each of the first column, the RPMs, and then all you do, upload the tune onto use ROM Raider, and then you upload the tune, fucking put it on your ECU, and then load it, write it, and then all you gotta do is feather the throttle, and then you're.
So this video isn't really like a tutorial on how to make your car pop, even though that's probably gonna be the title. But it's mainly just gonna be Jericho's car popping. So I mean, we've all heard my car pop and everything. Jan's gonna get a tune as well later. But now Jericho's finally tuned. He's gonna pop a lot more than me actually, because it's an actual tune. My eye just kind of accelerates and switch gears and it pops. But now we're actually gonna head out and go to a car meet, and we're gonna hear Jericho popping along the way. So I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be my first time hearing it also. So let's see how it is.
I've only done like once too, by the way. So like,
really?
This is my,
on the way here?
I still have to like experiment with it. So like.
Oh, okay.
But it sounds pretty nice.
It's probably like a BMW.
Yeah.
I know a BMW. You just gotta like.
You just let it off.
Let out, and then you just kind of do this, and then it pops. 91.
91 works the best. Yeah.
Okay, so you may shoot flames.
Possibly.
Actually, I don't know. You're on the stock mid pipe.
I'm stock mid pipe. Oh yeah, I am stock mid pipe. I only have axle back, unequal length, headers. I don't know about my front pipe and over pipe. I don't know if they're stuck too bad this week. So. Let's go pop.
Okay. All right, let's hear this thing. I think it would sound better if you had a toe man.
I also.
If I had the toe man. Yeah, the pops are okay though. They're like.
Hear the other one.
They're pretty quiet though. That was a good one. Bro, they're so much louder now.
I know how to pop now, that's the thing.
Dude, I was trying to get next to you so you can just pop together.
My pops are louder now too.
They're way louder now.
Especially because the goal, or well, I had to find it. It took me a couple days to find it. You just have to go to like 4 or 5 from like any gear, 4 to 5k RPM, and then let off the throttle, and then just wait like 1 second, and then just literally feather it, and then it just pops.
God.
That's a deep.
I know it's deep, right?
That's good. That's good deep popcorn. Fuck, man. I gotta go stage 2 if I want to do that healthy.
It's nice and deep.
It's good for the weather. You don't need thunder right there. Thunder right there.
Yeah.
So then who's lightning? It's way too fucking loud!
That shit was loud.
Is it loud? Can I see it?
Out.
Dude, you know before when I first put my tune on, I didn't know how to pop. So it sounded like super quiet.
Oh,
because you need to feather the throttle after you reach like 5.
Did there?
Yeah, right there.
It's fucking too loud! Fucking loud,
That's all I
man!
heard.
Right there is too much.
Holy shit.
No wonder why you didn't go to Cars and Lotus last time.
Yeah,
They were doing sliding and everything like that. If they pop like that, you die.
I would die. I saw your that shit.
Oh yeah, my
Your police lights?
You're in trouble.
I know.
This guy
Was I
has
supposed to pull
police
over?
lights on his car.
Was I supposed to pull over?
You were supposed
or
to.
something like.
Wait, not yet. I don't take bribes yet.
Oh shit. Me? Because I'm not trying to get state ref, you know? For a second time.
I will state ref you, and I get state ref after I arrest you. Citizens arrest. How do you feel? Fuck, man! Oh, it's not working. There, not working.
That shit is so illegal, dude. Turn that off if a cop over there sees you.
It's him! Oh my god! He's popping!
Quick, put your shit on the top. Spread your arms and legs.
Spread them.
Spread.
Spread them.
Garrett.
Oh, he took a shower. I can tell.
Smell that?
Yeah. Oh, you're still going to jail though.
Why did you put that on?
The lights?
Mm-hmm.
Just when we were down there at the drag strip.
Hey, turn it off before.
Recon beacon. I caught 2 of them.
You low-key scared me. Even though I knew you had it, you scared me.
I was like looking in my rearview mirror. I saw that and I thought it was an actual cop for a second, like past us or behind us. And it was just
PTSD. Me for speeding ticket, but everybody else.
State ref. State ref. State ref. State ref.
The crossbar up against the fucking wall. He's like. Then his rib goes. It's back into place. Lucky you guys not fucked up like that. But my brother is.
your brother's.
400 something and it downpipe is We're moving.
We're rolling. Hey, look, yo, it's a race. Jerko. I'm pulling ahead. Oh, Alec, he's pulling ahead. Oh shit, here we go.
Eat it, pussy. Hey, get in front of me, I dare you. Get in front of me.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hey, do it. Pussy. Yeah, get in front. You trying to beat me in a race?
We probably look so stupid from outside. We're not even moving. What is wrong? Oh my fucking god. But anyway, so we enjoyed the video. Like I said before, thank you for all the support recently. We are back busting out more videos left and right for you guys. Thank you for all the support recently. We are growing very fast and I really appreciate all of you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.